Governor Willie Obiano has handed out the sum of 258.5 million naira for the continued upgrade of mission hospitals across the state. The event, which took place at the Professor Dora Akunyili Women Development Center, Oka, attracted representatives of the churches. Governor Obiano gave the Catholic Church the sum of 159,500 million naira, while the Anglican Communion and the Pentecostal churches got the sum of 84 million naira and 15 million naira, respectively. Presenting the checks, Governor Obiano explained that the monies were distributed according to the number of hospitals owned by the various denominations as gazetted by the law and their capacities as worked out in the state's 2017 budget. He urged other faith-based hospitals who were not included in the disbursement to forward their details for onward inclusion in the 2018 budget of the state. The governor, who said his administration has divided its intervention in the state health sector into three, namely upgrading health infrastructure to ensure the comfort of patients, as well as training and retraining of health workers and their welfare, said the disbursement is part of his efforts at supporting the mission as major players in the health revolution in the state.
The second thing to be successful in the health area is the comfort of the patients. That is part of the reasons why we are here, because the money we give to the mission hospitals, they use it to do things that will make sure that the patient is comfortable when they get there. Sometimes they build the fences, the boreholes, the electricity. These are things that make a patient comfortable.
Earlier, the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Josephat Akabike, said what the present administration has done in the period it had lasted is to introduce total health reforms, which has guaranteed coordination and greater efficiency in the state's healthcare delivery. Dr. Akabike identified major breakthroughs of the present administration to include the introduction of state health insurance scheme, strengthening of the state primary healthcare system, setting up of the state integrated emergency management services, recertification of hospitals, regulations of child medical practitioners in the state, adding that it is the vision of the present administration to bring about a turnaround in the state health sector.
I'm still talking about the primary healthcare, and all these things are geared making sure that the primary healthcare is functioning very well. And by the end of this, I will tell you what this thing has done to this state and where it can place us before other states in the nation.
The special advisor to the governor on agriculture, tourism, training methodology, and state emergency, Venerable Amechi Okwosa, acknowledged that Governor Obiano has shown in concrete terms that he is averse to religious bigotry, and noted that apart from the ceremonial events, the governor had consistently maintained cordial relationships with the churches, describing him as the most mission-friendly governor in the country. In their separate remarks, the Archbishop Metropolitan Onitsha Catholic Archdiocese, Most Reverend Valerian Okeke, represented by the Auxiliary Bishop of Oka Diocese, Most Reverend Jonas Benson Okoye, and the Archbishop Metropolitan Ecclesiastical Province of the Niger, Most Reverend Christian F.O.B., also represented by Venerable David Obiaboso, as well as representatives of the Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, thanked Governor Obiano for the interventions and his visible efforts at putting the welfare of Anambra at the center of everything he is doing, and promised that the funds will be diligently utilized for the purpose it was intended.
In education and other segments in the society. Thank you very much.
In the history of our state, and want to thank God for this idea.
Performances by pupils of Igwedima Primary School, Amobia, and the state cultural troupe formed the high points of the event.